Keep stirring, dear. Don't let it stick.
It smells wonderful, Grandmother.
It's the love that makes it so. The soup is perfect today, isn't it?
It's the best, Grandma. Can I have more?
Of course, dear.
Grandma, look! I drew a cat.
Oh, how lovely, dear. It's wonderful, sweetie.
Thanks.
Some cider, my dear?
Oh, lovely. Thank you.
Here you are.
Cheers, my love.
The rain is so peaceful, isn't it?
Ah, it brings back memories.
And makes the oranges glisten. It does.
Careful now. Don't rush it.
I got it, Grandma.
Good. Now come sit with me.
Okay. Grandma, look!
Very good, dear.
Here you go.
Thank you, my love.
Is this deep enough?
Just a little deeper, dear.
Okay, like this?
Perfect. You're a natural gardener.
Here's another one.
Great job. You're a natural.
Thanks, this is fun.
Good day. I've brought some fresh oranges for you.
Thank you, and I have some fresh flour for you.
Wonderful. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. You're such a good dog. Almost done, sweetie. There we go. Let's fold this one together.
Yes, a perfect team.
I can help.
You're doing great.
Beautiful night, isn't it?
It is so peaceful.
Just like when we first met.
I remember.
Grandma, Grandpa, it's so beautiful here tonight.
It is, my dear, just like old times.
And the house is waiting for us.
Delicious.
It is. So warm.
This soup is delicious.
It is. Can the dog have some?
Of course. Here you go.